Blue stragglers are hotter and more luminous main sequence stars than a group of average main sequence stars of the same open or globular cluster that are located at the main sequence turnoff point on an HR diagram. Let's break down this definition. First thing we want to look at is this open or globular cluster. We have to have one or the other case. In this example, on the left, we're looking at an image of a globular cluster. This globular cluster is 47 Tuc. And if you look very carefully in the image, as we zoom in, you can see very blue stars located at the center of the pink circle. Each pink circle has a very blue star located at its center. These very blue stars are examples of blue stragglers. These blue stars are hotter and more luminous. Bluer stars are hotter and more luminous. The other thing we need to compare is this main sequence stars. We're looking at a group of hotter and more luminous main sequence stars than an average group of main sequence stars on an HR diagram. So let's take a look at an example of an HR diagram. In the bottom right, we have an example of an HR diagram. Temperature increases to the left, and luminosity, or surface brightness, increases vertically. From upper left to lower right, we have a diagonal line. Many stars fit along this line. This is called the main sequence line. So we take a look at this globular cluster. We rank all the stars in the globular cluster by luminosity and temperature, and we place them along this diagram. Many of the stars fit along this main sequence, but some of them start to turn off. This is called your main sequence turn-off point. Now, this group of blue stragglers are hotter, they're to the left, and they're more luminous, they're more vertical in the diagram than the average main sequence star at the turnoff point. These on the HR diagram are called blue stragglers.